Hi students, in previous session we completed exercise 10.1 up to question number 6. Now in this session I will start from question number 7. Seventh question, find the slope of a line which makes an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of y axis, measured anti-clockwise. That's it. So in this we need to find slope of a line. It makes an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of y axis in anti-clockwise direction. Solution. First I will draw the diagram based on the given data. First you take the coordinate axis. This is x axis and this is y axis and this is horizon. Find a slope of a line which makes an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of y axis. So I am taking it is a straight line L. It makes an angle how much? 30 degrees with the positive y axis. Already this angle we know because it is perpendicular. That's why angle is how much? 90. We know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This is 90, this is 30. Add 90 plus 30, 120. That's why the remaining angle is 60. Why? Because if you add these three angles, you will get 180. Now this is 60, then what about this angle? This angle is 120 degrees. Why? Because this is a straight angle, total is 180. This is 60, then what about the remaining angle? Remaining angle is 120 degrees. According to slope definition, it can be taken as inclination. Therefore, theta is equal to 120 degrees. Now I am finding slope of L, that is formula tan theta. Therefore, slope is denoted with m. Tan theta is how much? 120. Now this 120 degrees can be written as tan 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Tan 180 minus theta, that is nothing but minus tan theta, because 180 minus is second quadrant tan is negative, so minus tan 60 degrees. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, the slope of the line is how much? Minus root 3 is the answer for this question number 7. Next, we will discuss question number 8. In question number 8, they given find the value of x. Find the value of x for which the points x comma minus 1 is the first point, 2 comma 1, it is second point. 4 comma 5, it is third point. First point x comma minus 1, next point 2 comma 1, next point 4 comma 5 are collinear. Okay, these 3 points are collinear. You need to find the value of x. Already in previous session I explained the concept of collinearity. First I am taking first point is capital A, next point is capital B, next point is capital C. Now, so if A comma B comma C given that A comma B comma C are collinear. Now, what is the definition for collinearity? Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. How to find slope? Slope formula m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, I am applying this formula for slope. So, first I am taking the slope for this one, x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 minus y1, 1 minus of minus, that is plus, by x2 minus x1, that is nothing but 2 minus x. Similarly, I am finding slope of BC, y2 minus y1, that is nothing but 5 minus 1, by x2 minus x1, that is nothing but 4 minus 2. Now, simplify this. 2 by 2 minus x is equal to 4 by 2. Okay. Now, 2 1 just 2 2 just cancel. 2 by 2 minus x is equal to 2. 2 1 just 2 2 gets cancelled. Cross multiply. Okay. Now, 1 equals to 2 minus x, but we required x value, then x is equal to 2 minus 1, then x value is 1. So, this is the answer for question number 8. Okay. So, or otherwise we can apply one more condition. If the points are collinear, then area of triangle will be 0. So, if you apply that method also, you will get answer. So, collinear, totally we have two definitions. If A comma B comma C are collinear, then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. One more definition. If A comma B comma C are collinear, then the area of triangle will be 0. So, you can apply any of the definition for getting x value. So, here I used the concept slope of AB is equal to slope of BC concept I used. Next, coming to the next question, that is next 10th question. Find the angle between the x axis, find the angle between the x axis and the line joining the points, and the line joining the points 3 comma minus 1 and 4 comma minus 2. Okay, we need to find the angle between x axis and the line joining the points 3 comma minus 1 and 4 comma minus 2. Okay, listen. First, I will identify these 2 points in a graph. See, observe this point plus minus. Plus minus means this is lies in which quadrant? 4th quadrant. Similarly, next point also plus and minus means it is also lies in 4th quadrant. Okay. Now, we will draw the diagram. This is y axis and this is x axis, and this is origin 1, 2, 3, 4. One more point 5. Now you can take here, this is origin minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is y axis. First point is 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1 means will comes here. Next one is 4 comma minus 2. 4 comma minus 2 means it will come here. Now join this. This is 3 comma minus 1. This is 4 comma minus 2. This point is A and this point is B. Now we need to find this line AB makes how much angle with x axis. This we need to find. We don't know this. I am taking this is theta. Okay. So this AB line makes how much angle with the x axis. So this theta is called inclination. First I am finding slope of AB. From the slope I can derive theta. Okay. First slope of AB. What is slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. But already we know the formula for slope is tan theta. Then y2 minus y1, that is nothing but minus 2 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, by x2 minus x1, 4 minus 3. Now tan theta is equal to minus 1 by 1. Now tan theta is equal to minus 1. When tan value minus 1, tan 135 value is minus 1. Therefore, a line AB which makes angle 135 degrees with x axis. This is question number 10. Next, 11th question we will discuss. The slope of a line, is double of the slope of another line. Slope of another line. Slope of another line. If the tangent of the angle between them, if tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3, is 1 by 3. Find the slopes of the lines. Find the slopes of the lines. Slopes means you will get 2. Okay, it is a given question. So listen, solution. The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line. Let m1 is equal to 2m, m2 is equal to m. Why I took first line slope is 2m and second line slope is m? They given the slope of the first line is double of the slope of the another line. Second line slope is m, double means what? 2m. Given the tangent angle, that is nothing but tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. So we know the formula for tan theta. In previous session we discussed the formula for tan theta is m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to 1 by 3. m1 value is 2m, m2 value is m. Substitute in this. Now 2m minus m by 1 plus 2m into m, that equals to 1 by 3. Now simplify 2m minus m, that is nothing but m by 1 plus 2m square is equal to 1 by 3. Now m by 1 plus 2m square is equal to 1 by 3. Plus I took cross multiply, 3m is equal to 1 plus 2m square. If you simplify 2m square minus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. If you factorize this quadratic equation, you will get answer. Now 2m square, this minus 3m can be written as minus 2m minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. In first two values, I can take 2m common, m minus 1. In next two values, minus 1 common, m minus 1. Again, which is common? M minus 1 is common, 2m minus 1 equals to 0. So now m minus 1 equals to 0, that is nothing but m is equal to 1. 2m minus 1 equals to 0, that is nothing but m equals to 1 by 2. So finally we got m equals to 1 and m equals to 1 by 2. Actually here modulus means if you remove modulus, plus or minus will come. Here I took plus, next I am taking minus. If m by 1 plus 2m square is equal to minus 1 by 3. Why? Because if you remove modulus, plus will come as well as minus will come. First I took plus, next I am taking minus. Again cross multiply, 3 into m, 3m is equal to 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 2m square into minus 1, minus 2m square. Send this side. Now the equation is 2m square plus 3m plus 1 equals to 0. Again we get a quadratic equation. If you factorize this equation, you will get the values of m. Now 2m square plus this 3m can be written as 2m plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. In these two I can take 2m common, m plus 1. In next to 1 common, m plus 1. Again which is common? M plus 1 I can take common. Then m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. If m plus 1 equals to 0, you send 1 that side, therefore m is equal to minus 1. If 2m plus 1 equals to 0, then you will get m is minus 1 by 2. So this is answer for question number 11. Okay. Understood why I took like this? If you remove modulus, actually plus or minus 1 by 3 will get. First I took plus 1 by 3, next I took minus 1 by 3. That's why we got two solutions in first case and two solutions for the next case. Okay, next question number 12. 12th question. A line passes through x1 comma y1 and h comma k. A line passes through x1 comma y1 and h comma k. Full stop. If the slope of the line is m, if the slope of the line is m, show that k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. Very easy question. Okay. Solution. First 2 points are given. I took the first point is capital A x1 y1, capital B h comma k. Okay. Now slope of AB I will find. What is slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is nothing but k minus y1 by h minus x1. But slope is given already how much? M. Therefore, m is equal to k minus y1 by h minus x1. Cross multiplication, then you will get m into h minus x1 is equal to k minus y1. That implies I will write RHS first. Then what you will get? K minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. So this is the answer. Next question number 13 and last question in this exercise 10.1. If 3 points h comma 0, a comma b and 0 comma k lie on a line, show that a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. A by h plus b by k equals to 1. First, let first point is A, next point is B, next point is C. Okay. Given A comma B comma C are collinear. Why collinear? Because they lie on the same line. Now what is condition for collinearity? Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. What is slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. First I am finding slope of AB, that is nothing but b minus 0 by a minus h. Next, BC slope k minus b by 0 minus a. Now finally what you will get? B by a minus h is equal to k minus b by minus a. cross multiply. Now minus a into b minus ab, that equals to a minus h into k minus b. Okay. Now minus ab is equal to a into k, ak, a into minus b minus ab minus h into k minus hk minus of minus plus h into b hb. Now minus ab gets cancelled. Now if you send this minus hk this side, now what you will get? Plus hk. Hk is equal to ak plus hb. Now the last step. First I am writing RHS, next I am writing LHS. Okay. Now AK plus HB is equal to HK. But we need to prove A by H plus B by K equals to 1. That's why dividing both sides by HK. If you divide both sides by HK, then what you will get? AK by HK plus HB by HK, that equals to HK by HK. Now H cancel, K cancel, these two cancel. Now what you will get? A by H plus B by K is equal to 1. So this is the final answer for this question. Okay. Now this exercise, first exercise is completed. Next we are studying horizontal lines and vertical lines. Next definition, horizontal lines and vertical lines. First, equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. This is equation of x-axis. Next, equation of y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. Here x-axis is which line? Horizontal line. Y-axis is which line? Vertical line. Okay. Now y is equal to 0 because this x-axis and y-axis both are passing through origin. That's why equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Reverse you take. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. This is horizontal line and this is vertical line. Okay. Next point. For example, this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is origin. A line which is above the x-axis, a straight line which is parallel and above the x-axis, and it is a distance of h units, or you can take k units. Once again, listen. The equation of a line which lies above the x-axis, how many units? K units above the x-axis and as well as parallel to x-axis. X-axis equation is what? Y is equal to 0. Now what about the equation of this line? Y is equal to k. Why I took k? Because this line is parallel to x axis as well as it lies k units above the x axis. That's why the equation of this line is y equals to k. Okay, coming to the next one. This is x axis and this is y axis and it is origin. Now it is a straight line. This straight line is parallel to x axis, but here this line is below the x axis and at a distance of how many units? K units below the x axis. Here k units above the x axis. Here k units below the x axis. X axis equation is already y is equal to 0. So equation of this line is y is equal to minus k. Y minus will come if above means plus k will come, if below means minus k will come. Okay, third one. So these are the coordinate axis, x axis and y axis, and this is origin. It is a straight line. It is parallel to which axis? Y axis. And how much distance? H units right side of y axis. What is y axis equation? X is equal to 0. So therefore this is equal to x is equal to h. Once again listen, a line which is parallel to y axis and h units right side of y axis. So its equation is x is equal to plus h. Why plus? Here right side means plus will come, left side means minus will come. Okay. Now coming to the fourth. So these are the coordinate axis. This is x axis and this is y axis and this is 0. It is a straight line. It is straight line parallel to y axis and h units left side of y axis. Y axis equation already we know x is equal to 0. Therefore equation of this line x is equal to minus h. Understood? Y minus will come. This line is left side of y axis. Means final conclusion, above means positive will come, below means negative will come, right side means positive will come, left side means negative will come. All horizontal lines are starts with x is equal to, all vertical lines are starts with y is equal to. Okay. So this is horizontal lines and vertical lines concept. Okay. For example, if you take a straight line like this, it is passes through 1. X axis equation is what? Y is equal to 0. So this is y is equal to 1. Okay. For example, same they given, this is x axis and 0 and it is passing through minus 1. Now this equation is y is equal to minus 1. Why? Because this line is above the x axis, this line is below the x axis. X axis equation is y is equal to 0. If you take same example, this is x axis and this is y axis and this is origin, it is passing through 2. Y axis equation is x is equal to 0. So this is x is equal to 2. Because this is 2 units right side of y axis. Same question if you take like this, y axis and this is 0, it is passes through minus 1. Y axis equation is x is equal to 0, this is x is equal to minus 1, because this is 1 unit left side of y axis. So this is horizontal lines and vertical lines concept.